Did you know that 75% of resumes are rejected before they even reach a human recruiter? That's right. Most companies use ATS system to filter out resumes even before a person sees them. But don't worry, AI-powered resume builders like Kickresume can help you beat the ATS, create a stunning resume in minutes, and land you your dream job faster than ever. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to use Kickresume AI step by step. Whether you are a student, a professional, or someone making a career switch, this tool will help you craft a resume that stands out. So let's get started. To get started, first go to your preferred web browser and type Kickresume AI in the search bar. Now select the first result that you get. In this open interface, you will find an option saying login. Click on that. Now, you will see that you can get 4 options that you can use to log in. You can use your LinkedIn, Google, Facebook, or your email and password. Here I am using my Google account. Now select your preferred Google account and click on continue. After that, you will find the privacy options. Click on the checkboxes and then click on continue. Now you have your fully accessed Kickresume account. Now that you have signed up, let's start with creating new resume. Click on the resume builder option. Now click on new resume. Here you can choose from plenty of templates. Suppose we are using this white template. First, add your personal information. That is your first name, last name, phone number, email address, nationality, date of birth, address, country, and any website link that you have. Now, you can add information about yourself or what you are looking into for a new job. To get AI suggestions, first type in some keywords. Then type on the AI writer option. Now select the rewrite section and the AI will elaborate your writing. Now, work experience. Add your company name, job title, city, country, and the starting and ending date. Now, you can add the job description. To get the fully customized job description, click on the AI writer and select AI generator. Then click on generate with AI and AI will generate it within seconds. Here comes the education part. Click on that and add your institution name, field of study, degree, city, country, and starting and ending date. Also, you can add your educational description in the same process as before. And here comes the most important part, the skills. Type in the skills and to add skills, click on that and add in your skill. You can also add your skills using AI. Also, you can add a few sections from here and you can preview your resume on the right side of the interface. After previewing, if you want to download your PDF, click on the download and share option from the left panel. Now, select the option saying download as PDF. If you want to create a resume using premium features, you can see the features here. Also, you can skip those and within a few minutes, your resume will be downloaded. Let's click on that and here is our customized resume. Now that you know how to use Kickresume AI, go ahead and create your winning resume today. I hope now you can create simply stunning resumes. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.